What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We finally have the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta GLI, and just like a lot of companies doing a lot of refreshments of the year of 2025, the GLI has more changes, and the biggest changes we're going to see are going to be in the front. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the car. Let's go ahead and talk about the biggest changes, which are going to be the headlights. We have brand new LED headlights, day running lights, and turn signal lights, as well as the front upper grille has been enlarged to allow as much air as possible to feed this 2-liter turbocharged engine. We do have the Volkswagen logo here, as well as light bar that connect to all the way to the end. That's going to be the new Volkswagen signature for the higher trim levels, like the Golf GTI or the Volkswagen Tiguan and Taurus and whatnot. And if we move a little bit more here, we do have the signature GLI badge in here as well. In my opinion, the front end looks pretty awesome. And if we drop more down here, we do have functional air vents here, unlike the previous generation, to make this car looks more aggressive. And I really love how they took this traditional GLI trimming and they made it go along the lower lip. It makes this car look more sporty and very aggressive for the competition. We do have now a honeycomb design for the lower grille as well, and it's all blacked out. Not a lot of chrome in this car. The hood design has not been changed. I really love the lines here, make the car look more bulkier. Overall, the front end of the GLI is as good as it's always going to be. Moving to the side, we do have a brand new wheel design as well, and those wheels are actually lighter than the previous generation, and it's the V-spoke design. We do have the red brakes calipers from the GTI. I've always loved the side profile of this car. It's what I love about German cars. They don't do too many lines. They made it nice and simple. As you guys can see, it looks sexy, looks very sporty as ever. And there is no chromes around the window because this is the Autobahn edition. They want to make it as blacked out as possible. And now we're going to see another big change on the back. So the tail lights has the previous generation. They don't really change much. They only add the layer here that goes across the whole trunk to look more aggressive. And it says GLI instead of a Jetta. We do have the blacked out bumper protection. And if we drop down here, we do have real dual exhaust tips. That sounds incredibly amazing. Let's take a listen. That is pretty awesome. Overall, the exterior design looks pretty nice. Under the hood, we do have a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 228 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, and it is linked to either 7-speed automatic transmission or 6-speed manual transmission. This particular one right here is the manual transmission. The car weighs 3,537 pounds, and the MPG is 27 city and 37 in the highway. Jetta still have the same exact size, which means you're gonna get you a really good trunk space. It can fit a lot of different things. Sorry about this plastic here around the back. Actually do have tires, spare tire and tire equipment underneath all of that. Unlike the competition, the Honda Civic Si does not have it, nor the Hyundai Elantra N. Forgot to say one more thing. Even though this is considered as a compact sedan, it's actually a lot larger than a Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla, or even the Kia Forte. So let's go ahead and check out the back space. Opening the door here, we are greeted with two-tone interior. We have some gray on the door panel and black here on the handrest. The interior looks pretty awesome. The seats are very nice and comfortable. Two-tone as well, black and gray. We do have some GLI stitching over here, and it's pretty cool. We even have cup holders in the middle. So with the driver's seat all the way to the back, I still have a good amount of legroom and headroom, to be honest. It's pretty nice, I like it. But a couple of things. there are no air vents or even USB-C chargers in the back. Let's go take a look at the front. In the front, we do have a very nice, comfortable two-tone seats over here. And the driver's side is gonna have the electric adjusting memory seat as well, but the passenger seat is gonna be manually adjusted. And this one has the 3 pedals, which has the manual transmission. Let's go and talk about interior and really learn what has changed. So we still do have the same steering wheel, same thing as a GTI, the older generation Jetta GLI. But the steering wheel of the Volkswagen always look good. You got the flat bottom in here. It says GLI over here, and it has a heated steering wheel and all of these buttons, not real buttons, which are okay in my opinion. We do have a 10.25 inches screen on the dash. Sounds pretty awesome. And then we do have a refresh design for the infotainment system. It's actually lifted up a little bit like a Toyota Camry and all that stuff. It's touch. It has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have a lot of gloss black on trimming on the air vents. I think it looks pretty cool. I like the soft touch over here with the gray, and I like that red stitching along the doors as well. That is pretty awesome. And if we drop down here at the Autobahn edition, we do have heated and ventilated seats. This is your AC controls, all touch, which is awesome. And over here we do have wireless charger to USB-C, and of course the 6-speed manual shifter. That looks pretty awesome. The backup camera is decent. It's actually not bad. There's no trajectory lines though. And by the way, since this is the Autobahn edition, we have the Beats speakers. That looks pretty awesome. We do have a small sunroof here as well. Overall, the interior of the Jetta GLI is pretty awesome. I like it. Overall, the Jetta GLI looks absolutely amazing. It looks very sporty. I like the refreshments. I love the front end. And definitely I love that monument gray. It looks pretty awesome. It makes the car stand out. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I want to give a huge shout out to Riyadh Momini at West Houston Volkswagen. I will have his information down in the description. Make sure you go there and visit him. And he is actually standing right there. Thank you so much, man. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Peace out.